In this lesson, we're going to evaluate a variable expression. So if we have a problem like this that says find the value of the expression, and this is the expression, 3 times bracket w minus 20 close bracket when w equals 30. So what does that all mean? First thing to do is to understand the meaning of the words variable and expression. A variable is a letter given to an unknown number. Here, the unknown number is w. An expression is an equation that represents another number. So this represents another number. You might not think that right now, but you will at the end. It is made up of numbers and variables, and we could see that. It's made up of numbers and variables. Okay? So, in this expression, the variable w will be replaced by the number 30. So we need to figure out what the value of this expression is when w equals 30. So the next step is we replace w with 30. So this is where w was, and we're putting 30 in because that's what it's telling us to do. So now we just evaluate this expression, which means we calculate it. So remember that brackets are calculated first. 30 minus 20 is 10. Now we multiply 3 times 10. 3 times 10 is 30. So here, the expression is an equation that represents another number. So this expression is 30. It represents 30. So that's how you evaluate variable expressions. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You probably just need to watch the video again. And just take a look at the description below. You'll find videos there of mine that I've done that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.